Hi, my name is Stephen Finlan. I'm the Managing Director of HYSPEC Group. We're a specialist cleaning company based in Dublin, in Ireland, mainly specialising in the food production facilities, cleaning meat factories, abattoirs, bakeries. We've done a lot of kind of property maintenance as well. So a lot of the time we were subbing it out. So I've just started a secondary business called Under Pressure, and we're now going to be delving deeper into window cleaning, pressure washing, soft washing, roof cleaning and so on. So I'm here to learn the knowledge I need to make sure that we're able to kind of get the jobs done right, do a quality job, have the right equipment and make sure we get the right results. I chose the BWCA mainly because they're experts in their industry. I know Ionic systems, I've had experience with them and using their systems. They're a quality product, so I wanted to find somebody who's going to be able to give me the in-depth knowledge about the product as well as the techniques and the best way to market and kind of achieve the results that we want. Today was a good experience for me. I was doing the pole-fed window cleaning. I learned a lot of good information about how to treat the product, how to use the equipment correctly, all the information I needed about why we use deionized water, why we use purified water, the process in making it and what makes it so good when it comes to window cleaning. So for me to gather all the information together is very important, because that's how I can then I suppose build trust with my customers in the process that we're trying to provide them. I think the equipment the guys were using today was state of the art. It was top of the range, so it's good to see the difference between good and bad equipment. I think just overall it's a very broad look at pole-fed window cleaning. It's not just specifically about the techniques of cleaning. It's the ins and outs, and I think for me it's been an eye opener in a lot of ways. One of the most beneficial parts I found about today was the health and safety aspect of doing what we're doing. It's so important to me that we get a quality result, but in a safe way. So I met a lot of guys here that are actually operatives in the industry. To talk to them and listen to their experience of what they're doing currently and what they've learned from today, I think was really important. Because realistically, like as a professional business looking for quality, we want to make sure that the guys are able to do it in the most efficient way, but also the safest way, so that they're protecting themselves and therefore able to kind of be an asset to the business. So for me, I think looking at that side of it, looking at everything as a whole is important, not just the function of how we do it, but the proper way of doing it so that we get the right result.